So this is the 2010 higher level question 5. Okay, the figure shows the logo for the butterfly farm. The figure is subject to transformations in the following order: axial symmetry, translation, central symmetry, and rotation anti-clockwise 220 degrees. So we'll go P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, so I know my first transformation is axial symmetry, to P2 is translation, to P3 is central symmetry, and to P4 is rotation. Okay, so to find our points and draw the figure itself, draw the given figure, part A of the question. Okay, so with this figure, it's actually a nice question because it's based on a circle. So we have our outer circle, which is radius 30. Okay, and we have a point, a center point here, which is also 30. Gives that arc, and then these two arcs here are 35 that go. So if we intersect this, it gives us our 4 points. So we should be able to draw the figure straightforward enough. And then point P is the center, so we know that all these points are center points of a radius 30 circle. So we can work away at that there. So once again, looking at the question, we know that we need to project everything to the right and below it. So we can keep this in the top left corner, and so this now it's radius 30, so we know where we need to keep P for all the P's. So we'll work from the top left of the page and we're projecting everything down to the bottom right. So we're just going to set the compass 30. Cross section through it like so. Okay, so that is the outer construction of our logo. So we need to leave this set at 30. This is P here. Okay, so the point of the compass in this intersection here up to P, and we can draw this arc in here. Okay. Next, we set it at 35. 5. The compass goes here. And here. Okay, so we know what we can have in here now. Point the compass back on P, set it back to 30. There is our logo. So best way to approach this, I'm just going to label the center points of my circles or from my arcs that I'm going to need. Okay, so I'll go with this one. A, B, C, then arc, then arc. Yeah, so all we need is the 3 arcs to finish it, and we know that B goes to C, will give that center line there. Okay, so with that, I'm going to get my P1, P2, P3, and P4. So I know P1 is down 60. Okay, so, and P4 is along the same axis as P. So I'll work with P4 first of all. So I'll look across, it's along the same axis, and it is across 85 plus 65 is 150 plus 75 is 225. So it's around 225 on this line. Okay. 225. P4. Right. P1 is down 60 and over 85. So I'll come over 85 first of all. Down 60. Okay. It's P1. P2 is on the vertical axis, and it is down 60 plus 55 is 115 plus 15 is 130. Okay, so that was P2. P2 and P3 goes up 15 mil from P2. But it's over. It is over 85 plus 65 is 150. Okay. P3. Okay, so just take your time getting all them points and double check them as you go along. Okay, so I have all my points. The first thing I'm going to do is I know all of my transformations are going to end up with the basis of a circular shape. So I'm going to get that done first of all. Okay. Okay, so I have my outline my transformations, and you can do that as you go along. I just find this is an easier way of getting points. So, first one is axle symmetry. So P to P1. Okay, we need to bisect that line. Get a perpendicular line to it. That will give us our line of axis. So pick a point further than halfway. Go to X and join the two of them. And that is our line of axis. Okay. Line of axis. Now we'll bring out our points perpendicular to that line. So we get an angle there. Okay, so I can bring C. I can bring B. Okay. And I can bring A. Right. So like we've been doing in other transformations, we can also get the distance here, which is the advantage of having a circular shape. We know that it's intersecting there already. So we have C. Just now C1. A1. And B1. So you can see the advantage of Actually drawing a circle first of all, then our lines intersected. So now we'll have a look at what happened over here. So we can draw our arcs. So we can set our compass at 35. Okay. Let's see like we did already. So put it on C. Draw your arc. Okay, put it on B. Draw your arc. Okay. So then we put the compass on A. The distance to P, which is 30. Okay, and we can draw that. Yeah, now we can start filling in. Darken that one. Darken that one. And then join B and C. That's our arcs there. So that is our object in actual symmetry. Okay, once again, very easy with a circular image because we don't need as many points. So now we're going from P1 to P2 via translation. Okay, so once again, we get the here. Okay, so we're going to bring down A. We're going to intersect the outer circle. That is A. And down C. And B. Okay. If you want, double check, get the distance from P1 to P2. Okay. C. A. B. You see there again, our points are all meeting up. So this is now C2, A2, and B2. Okay, so go back again. Set our compass on C. We'll get the radius 35. Okay. And the compass goes on C. Go off to B. Okay. Set the radius at 30. Like what we did here down to A. Okay, now B joins C, where it intersects the arcs here. And we can set filling the rest. Now, that is translation. Okay, so same object, same orientation, just put it down here. Next one, we're going to P3 via central symmetry. Okay, so we need to get a center point between P2 and P3. So let's go there. I'm just going to bisect this line. Okay, there's one down there. And that is our POS, point of symmetry. Okay, so once again, all our points go through, so we have P3 already. Now we can bring through A3. Okay, C3. P3. Okay, just double check your points again, get the distances. So point of compass on point of symmetry. The intersects up here, yeah. Down to A. Yep. And then C. Yep. And we're on. This is C3. B3. A3. Okay. So back to what we did at the start. Set the compass on C. Get our radius 35. That's it. C. To B. Okay. Back down to A. Like we did, get our arc here. So B. B joins across to C. And we can finish it off like so. And that is our logo via central symmetry. Okay, so now we need to go anti-clockwise. Okay, so we're rotating around here at 120 degrees. So with 120 degrees, we're looking, so we're join in P3 to P4. Okay, so we need to get 120 degrees here. So making a triangle out, so it'll be 120 degrees here, which leaves 60, so that's 30 degrees. 30. So 120 degrees. Okay, so it's the same in theory here. Join P3 to P4. Okay. So come out at 30 degrees. Go from P3 at 30. Okay, and this a point of rotation. Okay, so we can we need to bring our points back to our point of rotation and then out 120 degrees. Okay, so B. Okay, 120. Okay. B4. And A. Let's get that distance there. Yep. Just double check B the time. Yep. And the last one is C. Just double check this one. C. Measure 120 degrees. E4 and A4. Okay. Got the slip there. Right. So back again to our original. Set the compass on C. Get the radius, which is 35. Okay. Set it on B. 35. Okay. Point the compass goes on A. Goes to P. Okay. B joins to C. And we can fill in the last few bits here. And that is our logo, anti-clockwise at 120 degrees. And that is 2010 question 5 higher level.